Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will learn how we can easily download and install Telegram software on Windows. For that go to the web browser. I am using Chrome, you can use any web browser. On Google type Telegram and press enter. Here in the official website is visible, click on Telegram Messenger. Now go below and click on Telegram for PC and Linux. Now you can see get Telegram for Windows x64 is visible. Click on it. Now it will download only 38 MB. Let's wait. We have downloaded Telegram successfully. Double click on it to install. Minimize. Here and select the setup language. I'll go for the default English. Click OK. Now Telegram desktop will get installed under the following location. You can change the location by clicking browse, but I'll keep the same. It will take only 132 MB. Let's click on next. Now it will create a start menu folder. Keep it as it is. Okay, no problem. Click next. It will create a desktop shortcut, which is fine. Click next again. Here is the summary ready to install and click on install. Now the desktop shortcut is visible and it will automatically launch when I'll click finish, but I'll uncheck this. Click finish. Now double click on the desktop shortcut to open it. Here it is. Click on start messaging. Here and you can link your phone Telegram, or you can directly log in with your phone number. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install Telegram on Windows. Thank you for watching the video.